Hello everyone. In today's presentation, we shall discuss about lichens. What are lichens? Lichens are an association of fungus with alga. This association is symbiotic and mutual, where both the organisms derive mutual benefit from each other. The fungal partner is called as mycobiont, while the algal partner is called as phycobiont. Both these partners associate to form the so-called lichenic thallus. The fungal component makes up about 80% of the lichen body. As the fungus is saprophytic, cannot produce its own food, it depends upon the alga to provide its nourishment. The algae, being autotrophic, produces food by the process of photosynthesis and is able to sustain in the lichen thallus. Lichen is basically divided into three types, namely crustose, foliose, and fruticose. The crustose lichens are found to occur on the surface of rocks, on tree barks, or any dry surfaces. They are attached onto the surface by a gummy substance which sticks the thallus to the substratum, thus making it inseparable from the substratum. The best examples of crustose lichens are graphis, hematoma, etc. These thallus have a dorsiventral surface. Coming to foliose lichens, as the name says, foliose, the thallus is leaf-like and has irregular lobes or margins. They are also found growing on the barks and branches of trees, and they can be easily removed from the substratum. They attach themselves to the substratum by rhizoids-like structures called rhizines, which develop from the ventral surface. The free end of the rhizine is enlarged into a disc which secretes a gummy substance and is known as lichenic acid. This lichenic acid brings about destruction of the particles of the substratum. On the dorsal surface of the thallus are seen the so-called apothecia, the reproductive structures. Some examples of foliose lichens are Parmelia, Loberia, etc. Fruticose lichens, on the other hand, are pendant-like or upright and hang down from the branches of trees. They are attached to the substratum by dense clusters of hyphae. In some, the basal portion is foliage-like with upright cylindrical branches. Example, Cladonia, Usnea. Based on the substratum on which they are grown, ascolichens have been divided into corticoles. Let's talk about the ecological importance of lichens. Lichens are indicators of air pollution. They are unable to grow in towns, cities, and around industrial sites. Some lichens are regarded as the best converters of rocks into particles, which means they help in soil formation. The lichenic acid secreted from the thallus brings about the disintegration of rock surface. They improve the quality of the soil and also enrich the soil required for the plant's growth. Thus, they are also called as pioneers of vegetation. Lichens are also used as medicines in several parts of the world, particularly in the Indian system of medicine. They are used in the treatment of lung diseases, dog bites, jaundice, tuberculosis. A lot of research work is still going on with regards to the role of lichens as medicines. Lichens are also used as food in many parts of the world. They are used in India, particularly by the South Indians, as they are rich in polysaccharides, enzymes, and certain vitamins. Citraria icelandica, also called as Iceland moss, is taken as food in Sweden, Norway, Iceland, while Lecanora species is used as food in Israel, and Umbellicaria species is used as food in Japan. Species of Parmelia, also known as rock flowers, are used as curry powder in India, while in France, the lichens are used in confectionery for making chocolates and pastries. Lichens are also used in industrial requirements, like in the making of perfumes, making of dyes, Orchil, as well as litmus.